Hey everybody, Joshua Luetta, president of KBG Insurance Financial. Here in our office, we have what we call a requote system. So when we get a customer, we get them an insurance quote, we set a follow-up process 5 months down the road, so a month before their renewal. And so obviously in any industry, especially being new, you make a lot of phone calls, right? So this is just the way that we do our cold calls and some of our phone calls and the way they go. And I wanted to put this out there, so if anybody else has any ideas or recommendations on how their process goes, or how they do their outreach or make cold calls, would love to hear it and see what your ideas are. So I'll be calling the customer, and this is somebody that we've quoted 5 months ago, and we're giving them a follow-up call to see if we can update their quote. So I say, hey Jonathan, my name's Joshua Luetta. I spoke with you 5 months ago and gave you an auto insurance quote, and you wanted me to follow up with you around this time to update that for you. I updated your quote on your 2015 Hyundai, and we came out at $143 per month for auto, renter's insurance, and emergency roadside service. If this is something that interests you or works for you, please give me a call back. I'll also be emailing and texting you the quote as well. My phone number is 509-242-3244. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. And that's sort of the gist of it. And every time it might differ a little bit, depending on the line of business, but that's sort of the way it goes. And if you have any ideas or questions or comments, let me know. And, always looking to collaborate with other professionals and see what's working for you. And this is just something that we found that's worked for us. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.